Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about how to create a histogram using Excel. Most of the things I do can be used in Excel on a Mac or a PC, but some of the things towards the end can only be found on a PC version of Excel. Let's begin. The first thing you want to do is to get all of your data in one column. For example, here we have some fictitious grades. The next thing you want is the column of bins. These are the class limits that you construct from your data for the histogram. They should be equally spaced and they will contain all the different data values. So what you do is you first click on the data analysis pack and select histogram. Your input range is the values that you highlight. You don't need to highlight the title. The bin range is exactly the bins. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have the output appear somewhere on the sheet I'm working on, and you need to make sure that you also check chart output. If we do that, we get a histogram. Now on the histogram, we can modify it to make it look a little better. The first thing you want to do is you want the bars to be wider so that consecutive bars touch. So what we do is we click on Format, and we go down to this selection, and you click on Format Selection. You'll see a menu pop up on the right. And this thing called gap width here, we want to set the gap width to 0. And then you'll see it looks a lot more like the histograms we've constructed in class. There's also this category called More down here. Now this is a feature that may only be available on a PC, but if you click on this button, Chart Filters, we can get rid of that box that says More. We click Apply, and now our histogram looks a lot like the histograms that we've constructed before. If you don't like this little piece right here, you can just click on it and delete it. And we can label our axes. So for example, you often label the bottom, grades, and you can label the top,